So today I'm going to be showing you 3 different banana chocolate treats. Gluten-free, dairy-free, and all that jazz. And guys, if you're new to my channel, then welcome. But be sure to hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video. Hey guys, and welcome to Live Well with Tia. And the purpose of this channel is to inspire, motivate and coach you into a healthier lifestyle. Okay, so one of the requests that I keep getting is for more healthy, quick and easy treats. So today I'm going to be showing you, as mentioned, 3 healthy, vegan and gluten-free banana chocolate treats. The first one I'm going to be showing you is a vegan Snickers bar. So we're just going to go straight into the ingredients and I'm just going to show you how to make it and I'll come back to you when I'm ready to prepare. Okay guys, so for the bars itself, I'm going to be using 2 large bananas, 1/3 cup of crushed peanuts, and for the caramel, I've pre-soaked 15 dates with some hot boiling water just for about 5 minutes and I'll drain them before I use them. So 15 of them. 1 tablespoon of almond butter, 2 tablespoons of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of refined organic coconut oil, and a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. And then for the chocolate, I'm going to be using 1/2 cup of melted coconut oil, 1/2 cup of cacao powder, and 1/4 cup of agave syrup. Okay guys, so whilst the Snicker bars are in the freezer, I'm going to show you the next recipe, which is the banana peanut butter chocolate bites. Super simple. All you're going to need is bananas and peanut butter. And the chocolate I'm going to make the same way that I made the Snicker bar chocolate. So coconut oil, cacao powder and some agave syrup. So yeah, let's just go straight to it. Okay, so the aim is we're just going to be making some little mini banana sandwiches, and I'm going to be using pippin nut. This is my favorite peanut butter at the moment, so I'm slightly addicted to it. So yeah, so all we're going to do, I'm just going to chop off the ends because I don't use the ends because they're hard to make some flat sandwiches with. And then I'm just going to create slices probably about this thick. It was so hot in the house, as you can tell, because my peanut butter is so runny. But don't worry guys, as soon as you pop them into the fridge or into the freezer, then they will harden up and it won't be so droopy. Okay guys, so I'm going to do the same thing with these. I'm going to pop them into the freezer for about 10 minutes. Okay, so now that the Snicker bars, the banana bites, are in the freezer, I'm going to show you the 3rd recipe, which is my peanut butter banana chocolate cups. I'm going to show you just 2 more different varieties that you can actually use, but all you're going to need for this is I use a silicone cupcake cups, some peanut butter, a banana. I'm going to be showing you an option with some jam and some blueberries. You can make your homemade jam just to make this easier. I'm just going to use my jar jam. And the chocolate is the exact same way that I've made it in the other 2 recipes, but again I'll put the ingredients in the description box below, but let's get to it. Okay, so here's the melted chocolate. How delicious does that look? What I want you to do is we're going to start off with scooping 1 layer into each one of the molds. And then this we're going to set in the fridge for 10 minutes before we come back to it. I'm going to put this into the fridge for 10 minutes. Okay, so now the chocolate has set, I'm going to show you how to layer them. So I'm going to show you 3 the original way. So that's just placing a banana in the center of each cup, then some peanut butter that you just drizzle a nice healthy layer on top. Okay, so that is the original way, but instead of using peanut butter, you can also put a nice generous scoop of jam.
You can add a slice of banana if you want to as well.
So this is just an alternative if you fancy something a little bit more sweeter. And I recommend if you can make homemade jam, then do make your homemade jam. And then we are simply going to scoop on another 15 ml of chocolate on top of each one. Okay guys, so on the ones that I've put some jam in, I am going to place some blueberries on top. Okay, and again, I'm going to pop these into the freezer. Okay guys, I've got the chocolate sauce we've made here. Okay, and what I'm going to do for the bites, sometimes they can stick a little bit at the top. So I've just put a little toothpick in, and I'm just dipping one side in and then back on here.
As you can see guys, I'm just dipping half of the bites into chocolate, but you can cover them completely if you want to. You can pop the banana bites, so the caramel and the peanuts, in the fridge before putting the chocolate on, and then you can just grab them and dip them in the chocolate itself. But because of time, I did it this way.
Okay, so this is the final product of those 3 recipes. And you know this is my favorite part. That's right, the tasting time. So I'm going to do the tasting for you. The first one I'm going to try out is the one that I filled with jam, the cup, banana cup. So let me give that one a bit of a taste first. Oh, that is so nice. And you can taste the smoothness of the chocolate and the creaminess from the coconut. Oh, that was phenomenal. Now I'm going to try the chocolate peanut butter banana bites. Oh man. That was so good. Okay, which one should I go for next? I am going to go for the Snicker bar with the added cranberries that I've put on top. So let's see. It's a really hot day today, so the house is so humid, so everything's melting very quickly. But let's go. Oh, that is good. That is so good. And that caramel that we made is not too sweet, just right. A little bit of saltiness from the salt that we put in. And I added a few cranberries on some of them, and that gives it a nice little fruity taste. Oh, I'm in love. Oh. Maybe I should do a video of just eating food the whole time. I've seen lots of those videos on YouTube. Hold on. Right, so there's one more I haven't tried yet, and that is the Reese's cup. I call it the healthy version of Reese's cup with the banana and the peanut butter. Let's go. Oh man. Who needs a Reese's cup? I need to make these. I can't even talk, they're so good. Hold on. Oh guys, no. Honestly, you are going to love these, like absolutely love them. I'm going to stick mine after this in an airtight container and I'm going to pop them into the fridge. And probably you can keep them up to 2 days max, I'd say, no longer than 2 days. Now I used today bananas that were slightly a little bit overripe, and I don't recommend that because they have gone a little bit soft. I recommend getting bananas that not green but more yellowish with no brown spots or anything on. That way they'll keep a little bit longer and they won't go as soggy as mine have today. But like I said, it's very hot in the house today, so it's so humid, everything's kind of melting rapidly. But guys, if you like this recipe and you want to see more videos like this, then let me know in the comment box below. Or if you have any other recipe recommendations that you want me to try out for you. As I always say, leaving me your comments helps me to serve you better. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Like, share, and subscribe. But until we see each other next, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay blessed. Mwah.
Stressing, I better count my blessings. Life could be more.